Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will present my thesis about EFL teachers' experiences in teaching online during the COVID-19 pandemic, a case study at one public senior high school at Muaro Jambi. COVID-19 pandemic forced us to social distancing to minimize the virus. This policy has been implemented in many countries in the world, including Indonesia. It has a significant impact on the education. According to Moleja and George, say that most institutions in the world are transitioning from traditional or face-to-face classes to online learning or learning from home without face-to-face. And the Minister of Education and Culture of Republic Indonesia issued the Circular Number 4, 2020. The circular explained that the learning process is carried at home through online learning to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Because the teacher has no preparation before, it makes the teacher confused and uncomfortable with this condition. Online learning without preparation, of course, it makes the teacher has a memorable experience about this online learning. Therefore, the researcher want to look at how the teacher rise in the difficult condition. The difficult condition means in the pandemic forced the teacher to teach online with minimal facilities. The gap of this research is first is the teacher will be conducted in senior high school, whereas the previous research usually conducted in junior high school, elementary school, and college. And then still a few articles about this topic, especially in Jambi. This study will use a qualitative case study. The research questions: how are the teacher experiences in teaching English online during the pandemic? Limitation of this research. This research focuses on the EFL teachers' experience in the online learning during the COVID-19 pandemic at one public senior high school at Muaro Jambi. The purpose of this study is to explain the experience of the teacher in teaching English online. In this research, researchers used theoretical framework from Beltman. Why the resilience theory become the research? Why the resilience theory? Because the researcher want to look at the teacher experience to arise in difficult condition, and this resilience theory about teachers still arise in difficult situation. Beltman et al. 2011 say that they are risks and protective factor for teachers' resiliency. They are risk factors mean the obstacle that teacher face. Protective factors means the way teacher overcome the obstacles. Risk factors and protective factors, they are consist of individual and contextual. Individual from teachers and then contextual from environment. Data analysis. The data analysis used 23 categories that call aspect were grouped into resilience theory. Table 2 provide example of aspect resilience in each dimension. The first 3 dimension, this is including in individual capacities and skill. And then in social dimension, this is include in individual capacities, for example, communication skills and contextuals, like building relationship with others and seeking help. Figure 1 is a systematic view of resilience. This figure used to see the process of forming teacher resilience that face in difficult condition. The meaning of difficult condition is they are never teach online before, and then do not have proper preparation, but they forced to teaching online. Meaning of this figure, resilience. The resilience influenced by personal resource or from individual or from teachers, and contextual resource from environment or support from environment. From support from the support by environment and their self, it is make the strategy. After have strategies, teacher rise outcome. For example, teacher feel well-being. And then research methodology. This research use qualitative case study. The participants of this research choose by convenient samplings. That means the participants volunteer and available to be participants. And the participant is English teacher at one public senior high school at Muara Jambi. The criteria of this research is English teacher that use online learning, and volunteer to be participants. Research site and assess. First is ask permission from the principal, ask permission from the English teachers, make an appointment for an interview. Instrument of this research use demographic background survey to obtain the participant backgrounds. This research use semi-structured interview. The interview of this research contains of 9 questions about individual experience questions and 8 questions about contextual experience questions. In data collection, this research use semi-structured interview, use one-on-one interview or individually interview take place approximately 60 minutes, use audio recordings and directly transcribe. This research also use demographic background. To analyze the data, the researcher used Miles and Huberman 1994, said that define there are 4 current verification flow of activity in the model data collection. The first is data collection. Data collection is the researcher collect the data by the interview of the teacher, and then data reduction. This is selecting the data that need to this research or not. And then data display, the researcher write down the data on the paper. And then data conclusion, drawing or verification. To ensure the credibility of this research, the researcher used trustworthiness. The first is return all the interview data to all participants, and then to supervisors. The teacher said based on their experience, the teachers say that they support the learning process by learn individually, search in YouTube and Google. The second is positive feeling. They feel happy because smart student want more active in online class, and the student more confidence. And negative feeling, they feel stressed because the student the lazy student don't want to learn and don't want to do assignment. Contextual experience consists of facilitating from the school. The teacher, based on their experience, they say that they get quota internet and tab, and then they have a mentors. They say that they are joined in the WhatsApp group that consists of supervisors and the teacher from another school. So if they have a difficulty, or they can ask in that group. And then contextual risk factors consists of management students. This is the teacher say that the teacher difficult to manage student because the student don't want to learn and don't want to do the assignment. Vocabulary mastery, the student don't have much vocabulary, so that the student don't understand what the teacher say. For student understanding, the students say that they don't understand anything. that don't understand anything about the topic because they don't want to learn. And then internet connection, the teacher said that they are only use WhatsApp group because another application is very difficult to access. Individual risk factors, self-belief, the teacher unconfident if they are make their own material like make video for student. Then time management, the teachers feel difficult to differentiate between time for school or for home. Contextual and then protective factors consist of contextual protective factors and individual protective factors. In contextual protective factors, subthemesnya giving motivation at advisement, use appropriate application, use project-based learning. And then individual protective factors, self-belief and time management. Discussion. This chapter discusses the main finding of research presented in previous chapter. The following chapter compares the finding of this research study to examine the extent of suitability and what new finding in the research. 4.4.1 about individual experience. In these subthemes, based on the experience, the teacher learn individually to support the teaching online process with internet and YouTube. The research can be classified. The teacher use protective factors where strong intrinsic motivation, tenacity, and perseverance, and protective problem-solving skills. And then this can be seen from the way teacher want to learn individually to solve exciting problem based on the dimension and aspect of teacher resilience from Beltman 2021. This include the motivational dimension. According to this findings, similar with Lee and Yin 2021 and Hernandez and Orozco 2022, say that teachers do not stop to learning. The teacher must be able to to use the technology and ready to change anytime. Contextual experience, support by school and support by mentors. This is use protective factors from Beltman 2011. There is school administrative support, mentor relationship, and support from peers and colleagues. This is classified into dimension, professional related dimension and social dimension. This is similar with Lee and Yin 2021 and Hernandez and Orozco 2022 and Marker 2022. They say that they are get support from the friends and school, workshop, facility advanced technology. Contextual risk factors, student understand and the internet connections. Risk factors, this is use risk factors from Beltman 2011. There is behaviors management and difficult school or classes. This is classified in dimension, profession related dimension. These findings similar with Lee and Yin 2021, Hernandez and Orozco 2022, and Marker 2022. Students do not turn on the. They say that students do not turn on the camera, not respond during the online classes, difficult to call the students, and students never saw the assignment. Students never do anything. About internet connection, this is similar with Marker 2022 and Hernandez and Orozco 2022. They say that a lot of students in our area, they have a really bad connection. And then contrast with Lee and Yin 2022, they say they could carry out online learning synchronously and don't worry about the internet. This is a difference finding, because I think Orozco do conduct the study in city, and then this research, you conduct the research in a district area. And individual risk factors, ada self-belief and time management. This is include risk factors from Beltman. The risk factor is negative self-belief and confidence and conflict between personal belief and practice. The dimension of these themes was motivational and professional, related to managing their own time for school and home. This finding contrasts with Lee and Yin 2021. They say that they are less confident in offline learning. Time management, similar with Lee and Yin 2021 and Marker 2022. Lee and Yin said that difficult managing time because he had to deal with technical problem. Sedangkan Marker 2022 said that difficult to allocate between work life and home life. Contextual protective factors, ada project based learning. Use protective factors from Beltman, that is for working with the student. This is classified into dimension, social dimension. The finding is similar with Lee and Yin and Marker 2022. They say that gives student opportunity to work in pairs, provide opportunity for the student to take responsibility for their learning, and students are given a project, namely making a film. This is same like project-based learning. Individual protective factors give material before learning process. This is include in protective factors from Beltman. There is altruistic motivations. This theme was included in the profession-related dimension because it was related to the ability teachers to manage classes. This is the finding similar with Lee and Yin 2021 and Marker 2022. Teacher look for a solution by defining time between school and home, so the online learning run well. Conclusion and suggestion: the teacher was able to adapt and adjust to teaching online by individual resource and contextual resource, but the teacher said that the most memorable experiences felt by the teacher was that they found difficult to manage students, but the teacher still rise in the difficult condition and continue the online learning. Suggestion: based on the conclusion above, the researcher would like to give some suggestion from the teacher and student. From the teacher, because online learning is new for them, the teacher should be joining training and workshop to increase their knowledge about teaching online. And then the teacher must be learn individually to master the technology and application for online learning. And then for students, the students should have a motivation to learn, so they are understand about the learning. I think that's all. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.